Elizabeth here with us, and we've got George here with us, both the Cavaliers at the Cavallier Blacksmith shop. Okay, you guys are really excited for this festival, aren't you, Elizabeth?
Absolutely. It's the 65th Parada sale. We're super excited about the new Indian Festival happening at the Civic Center Plaza. There's a lot of things happening down in Old Town this weekend, and be sure to come by on Saturday for our demonstrations.
Okay, and look at George go here. He is making a, what is he making? He's making like a loop, right?
Yep, he's making a loop that's going to actually be a handle for a branding iron.
And he's doing it all with one heat, as you guys call it. He took it right out of the forge, and he's doing it. This is something apparently that you think I can do, or?
I believe so. Yeah, he's going to give you a shot. We'll see here.
George laughs. We believe so. All right, let's see what we do. I don't know how my loop's going to come out. Where do I stand here, George?
You're all ready.
I'm all ready. All right. This should be fun, Danielle. We're just going to heat up this piece for me and ready to pull it out. But this parade is 10 a.m. on Saturday. Absolutely free to come out and see it. It's going to be a lot of fun here at Old Town Scottsdale. Is this ready, George? All right, here we go. We'll pull this out. I will give you the microphone. You can commentate me, and I'm just hitting right here. Is that correct?
Yeah, hit right at the anvil.
Okay.
Closer into the anvil and hold that down.
Okay. All right, guys.
There you go.
Other way.
All right.
There you go. Closer to the end.
Thank you very much. Good job.
Not sure.
Remember, one heat.
Yeah, the apprenticeship is 5 years, you realize it.
My bloop is sad. Whoops, I forgot.